2.6 Legality, Object and Consideration. Meaning of consideration: the consideration or object of an agreement is unlawful. It is prohibited by law if it defects the provisions of any law, if it is fraudulent, if it involves or implies injury to the person or property of another, if the court regards it immoral, where the court regards it as opposed to public policy. Need for legality or object. Contract law should not be an instrumental to commit a wrong or harm or an offense prohibited by law. If an act is forbidden by one law, cannot be done by way of making contracts. Where public policy imposes certain limitations upon freedom of dealings or action, such limitations should not live by way of contract. It saves the time and effort of court from engaging in such unintended deadlines, unintended dealings. It brings certainty by imposition of various conditions where remedy is not available even to the injured party, so a person may remain far from such dealings. The court should not be a means to enforce rights in unlawful transaction. It helps to keep good moral in a society or state. Unlawful and illegal agreement. An unlawful agreement is one which, like a void agreement, is not enforceable as it is discountenanced by law. An unlawful agreement may be illegal or immoral or opposite to public policy. Illegal agreements. An illegal agreement, while resembling the void contract in that it also has no legal effect as between the immediate parties, has this further effect that even transactions collateral to it become tainted with illegality and there and are therefore not enforceable and in certain circumstances punishable by law is like that of principal agreement. Immoral agreement: if an act in the opinion of court is immoral, the court refuses to enforce the obligations in it. An agreement is unlawful for immorality in the following set of circumstances: where an agreement between a husband and wife from future separation, illicit cohabitation, misuse of influence, where the consideration is an act of sexual immorality, where the object of the agreement is the furtherance of sexual immorality. Agreements opposed to public policy: agreement to commit a crime or civil wrong or to perpetrate a fraud, agreement of trading with an alien enemy, agreements to sale of public office and titles, agreement to interfere the administration of justice, interference with the course of justice, agreements for stifling prosecution, agreements for maintenance and champerty, agreements of ousting the jurisdiction of courts, agreement to vary the period of limitation, agreement in restraint of parental rights, agreements in restraint of marriage, agreements in restraint of trade, agreement in restraint of personal liberty, agreements in restraints of using common facilities provided by state, agreements to defraud tax or revenue, void agreements. Void agreements are those which are not enforceable by law and no legal effect from the beginning, where an agreement does not fulfill all the essential elements of a valid contract, it becomes a void. Void agreements in some cases punishable by law if they are made to commit a crime. An agreement is called void agreement if it has no legal effect from the beginning, that is void ab initio. It does not bind the parties, it does not make arise legal actions and remedies even to the injured party, it is not enforceable by law, it is either illegal or immoral or opposed to public policy.